Hi beautiful people, I am Tiff Michelle and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I will be installing and reviewing the Sensational Vice HD Lace Wig in the style Vice Unit 2 in the color Money Piece Hazel. So if you want to see this review, please keep watching. people, I am Tiff Michelle and thank you for tuning in. Today I review the Sensational Vice Unit 2 in Money Piece Hazel. You guys, this wig is gorgeous. I love this color. Do you see this? And the highlights framing your face, gorgeous. The unit had plenty of baby hair and the hairline was pre-plucked. I didn't go in and do anything to the hairline. I did, however, pull some hairs out of the parting space and I overdid it, so I had to go in and fix it. But when I put the unit on a canvas head, I almost couldn't see the lace. It was almost undetectable. It took me a minute. So always take your time when you're cutting these units because you don't want to mess them up because you can't see the lace. The length on her, she's probably about 22 to 24 inches. I'm 5'8", and she hits like right under my chest. The density is probably medium. She's not super thick, but she's thick enough. You know, she ain't thick, but she thick. I didn't have to put too much lace tint on it. I actually sprayed lace tint on it and then went in behind it with my Sephora Micro Smooth and Deep, and it turned out really well. It was so good, I had on a lighter stocking cap and I had to take it off because you could see the stocking cap so well. As far as wearing her glueless, you probably could wear her glueless, but she fit my head really big. I have a 22-inch head and she came over my ear, so I kind of had to pull her back. So when I was trying to glue her down, the sides kind of kept popping up because she was so big on my head. The woes of having a small head. But you probably could wear her glueless because you can't see the side tabs, so you really don't have to have them down. Like I said, the lace blended really well. I didn't have any issues with that. I would finger comb her and not use a brush, but I wouldn't comb her too much because she does tangle. And also she sheds a lot. And she falls into your face a lot. So if you're going to style her and you don't like hair in your face, you may want to pull her back a little bit. Make sure you have something, or you know, hot comb her a little bit to make her fall out of your face. Do I think this wig is a great wig? Absolutely. I would purchase her again in a heartbeat for the color alone. I think this would be a really nice date night, girls night out wig. She's not an everyday unit because she does shed and tangle, but she is very beautiful. So if you want any information about her, look in the description box. I'll have everything in the description box about her. I'll also have everything that I have on my face in the description box. Like, comment, and subscribe, and give your girl a thumbs up. It's very appreciated. I'll see you guys next time.